Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing us how to mine BNB. Yeah, as a crypto person, you should know that BNB has a lot of value in cryptocurrency. So straight away I'll be putting in my input, and this white box is below that said input address BNB BEP20. So that's the address we'll be putting here so that we'll start mining. So I'll just go straight to my wallet account. So you can go to your straight wallet account, follow the process and do so. So my wallet account, I will go to and click on my Binance. So I'll be using my Binance, sorry. So when I use my Binance, I will copy my address and paste it. So right now I'm opening my Binance here. Boom. I'll go straight and click on BNB. So as I click on BNB, is opening. So I'll now go ahead for click on deposit so that I will be able to copy my link. Look at the BNB BEP20 here. So I'll just click on it. When I click on it now, I'll just look at my link here. I'll just click on copy. So I've copied my link. I see wallet address copy. That's what it said here. So I've copied it. I'll go straight to the site which you are going to mine these coins and paste it here. So I'll go there and click on paste. So the address I'll paste, I'll just go down and click on connect. So once I click on connect, I've signed in with this. Look at, as you can see, login successful. So this is not account that you'll be putting username and password and all those things. So you can just go ahead, use your wallet address and sign in. So once I do that, I look at the page we are now. So in this page, I'll see my referral link. You can refer and earn and start earning from your referral. So when you refer, you look at what they say here. They say complete this step before mining. So like I should claim 1 th. So that's it. And you can deposit if you wish, and you can look at how to withdraw. I'll show us how to withdraw here. I look at the mining speed here. They are mining in 1 th per second, and you'll be earning daily profit of 0.005. So it's really good amount of coins to earn. For you to earn 0.005, when you earn it up to a month, it will be accumulating a lot for you. So look at your referral link. I just copy this. You can just get this copy this referral link and paste it to your friend to get them come into this site and start earning as well. So look at total deposit amount. That's if you deposit, it will appear here. So when you withdraw, this is like your transaction. Total referral, you'll be seeing it. So this is just a new account. So once you open yours, you'll be seeing the same thing like this. So look at people different address that have been associated with this site. So it's not like you are the first. So we'll click on this claim 1 th. We'll click on it now, and it's loading to the page that will direct us to. So as you can see now, look at we've claimed 1 th now, and look at our BNB has started mining automatically. So when it does get to your when it does come into your site, click on that claim 1 th and it will mine for you. So that's just very simple about this site. There's no other big deal about it. So we'll be mining 0.005 every single day. That means in less than a month you are likely to have in 0.1 BNB. So guys, so let me check if there's anything I have to tell us. Okay, as I'll be showing us how to withdraw. So this buy power is you increasing your mining speed. So I'll just go to withdraw straight. So let's go to withdraw. When you go to withdraw, you see your balance. Okay, look at the balance I've mined already here. So it's not up to the minimum withdrawal. So minimum withdrawal 0.02, and the charges fees. Look at charges fee here. So I'll just go ahead and click amount unit, which amount I want to withdraw here. If I click amount I want to withdraw, I will click on submit. Remember my BNB address is with the site already, so they'll just transfer it to my wallet account. So it might take like 5 to 15 minutes for it to enter. So that's just very simple way to withdraw about this site. So guys, this video I'll be stopping it here. There's no much things in this video. So but what I want you to do for me, just to click that red subscribe button if you've not, and please give this video a thumbs up. If not, after watching this video, reaching this point, just give it a thumbs up. Don't just leave this video like that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and watch the next video I'll be dropping below. Thank you so much, guys.